much in the Atlanta area. I don't think we'll have any accumulating snow, but up in the high country, yeah, where Scott Anna lives in Union County, they'll see a little bit more snow moving in. We still have a few bands rotating around that area of low pressure. Notice the temperatures. They've gone up a bit. We anticipated that, but we are expecting temperatures to drop below freezing overnight. So we'll likely see some ice refreezing on the roadways. But right now we're up to 28 in Clayton, 30 in Blairsville, 32 in Gainesville. So we've gone up just a couple degrees in most locations here. We're liquid right now with rain in Eatonton, some showers. We had a few flurries earlier mixing in with the rain in Atlanta, and now it looks like just some very light showers near Stockbridge and Riverdale. And on the south side, temperatures now in the upper 30s, but overnight we'll start to see those temperatures drop. And with the winds, it is going to feel chilly out there. Andrew Wilson, meteorologist Andrew Wilson, joins us now with more on what we need to be concerned about with the winds tonight.
Yes, Sam, well, that has been one of the biggest impacts as we made our way throughout today was all these strong winds that we dealt with, especially this morning. But as we move into this evening, we still have some strong winds, not as strong as the morning. Notice that we have some gusts at about 33 in Atlanta right now, 29 in Marietta, 23 and up towards Canton and Peachtree City coming in at 30-mile-per-hour gusts there. So that's going to continue as we make our way throughout tonight and into parts of tomorrow. A wind advisory in place until 7 p.m. on Monday. That's going to be because we have gusts up to 30 miles per hour and even up to 40 miles per hour there for some of those higher elevations into the North Georgia mountains. Sustained winds anywhere from 10 to 20 miles per hour. So best to keep everything secure tonight and know that there is going to be that possibility for even maybe a few more power outages tonight just because of how strong those winds are going to be throughout this evening. Here's a look at the timeline of the strongest winds. As we get closer on towards midnight, you see 31-mile-per-hour winds there up towards Gainesville, gusts rather 26 in Duluth, 37 up towards Clayton, and it stays pretty strong up here towards the North Georgia mountains. Notice 37 there in Clayton by the time we get to 3:30 a.m. and it continues to stay fairly strong there even through noon on Monday. I think that could be when we see some of the strongest winds over the next 24 hours is around noon. 33 in Eatonton, 32 in Athens, 30 in Duluth there, and then finally we're going to see things calm down a little bit as we head into the latter part of the afternoon and then into the evening. But still going to have that possibility for a little bit of freezing on the roadways tonight. So yeah, a lot of impact still possible over these next 12 to 24 hours, Sam.
Absolutely, Andrew. And looking at that shot out over Rome, you can see the winds picking up a bit. It has been wet there most of the evening, a little mixture of cold rain and a few flurries mixed in. So right now we're looking at 37 in Rome, 33 in Duluth, so temperatures a little above freezing, but as we head into the next 12 hours, we're expecting those temperatures dip below freezing, and that means particularly on those elevated surfaces, bridges, overpasses, we can see some patches of ice out there, some black ice possible. We'll end up seeing those temperatures getting into the upper 20s, which means we'll have some spots to look for, and also the feels like you don't want to get stranded out there and slide off the road because it's going to feel like we're in the upper teens and low 20s. It is going to be brutally cold early tomorrow morning. So most of the snow yet tonight in far north Georgia, Blairsville, Fanning County could see some of these showers moving on through, Rabin County as well, and we'll see temperatures start to go down around 2 or 3 a.m. down below freezing. Still a little bit of wraparound moisture early tomorrow morning in far north Georgia, but I think we should be drying out here, but it'll be very cold and windy like Andrew was talking about. So it is going to be a very cold start to our Martin Luther King Jr. Day on our Monday, and another cold start on Tuesday, and maybe more of a wintry mix as we head into the end of the week as well, with a cold weekend ahead again next week. We'll be right back after this break.